Nestled amidst the towering peaks of the Himalayas, Allai Valley is a hidden gem in the heart of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, Pakistan. This valley, often overlooked by mainstream tourists, offers a unique blend of natural splendor and cultural richness. This picturesque valley, with the town of Allai at its heart, is a sanctuary of natural beauty, offering a serene escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. The valley's tranquil environment is perfect for those seeking peace and solitude. Allai is a tehsil, an administrative region in Pakistan, encompassing not just the valley itself, but also the surrounding villages and settlements. These villages are home to warm and welcoming locals who are eager to share their traditions and stories. This makes Allai a true hub of local culture and a fascinating destination for those looking to experience the authentic side of Pakistan. The vibrant festivals and bustling markets are a testament to the rich cultural heritage of the region. Imagine a place where time seems to slow down, where the air is fresh and crisp, filled with the scent of pine and wildflowers, and the only sounds are the gentle rustling of leaves and the melodious chirping of birds. It's a symphony of nature that soothes the soul. This is Allai, a place where you can truly reconnect with nature and find peace within its tranquil embrace. The valley offers numerous spots perfect for meditation and reflection. Whether you are an avid adventurer seeking thrilling treks or a nature enthusiast yearning for breathtaking landscapes, Allai has something to offer everyone. The diverse terrain provides endless opportunities for exploration and discovery. Allai has something to offer everyone. From trekking and hiking to camping under the stars, the valley is an adventurer's paradise. Join us as we delve into the secrets of this enchanting valley and discover why it should be your next travel destination. Let the magic of Allai Valley captivate your heart and soul. Allai Valley is cradled within the majestic foothills of the Himalayas, a geographical masterpiece sculpted over millennia. The valley's formation is a testament to the incredible forces of nature, where tectonic plates collided and shaped the land into a breathtaking spectacle. Towering snow-capped peaks pierce the sky, standing as silent sentinels over the valley, their slopes adorned with lush forests that descend into the valley below. These forests are home to a diverse array of flora and fauna, creating a vibrant ecosystem. The valley floor is carpeted in vibrant greenery, a living mosaic of life, a patchwork of fields and meadows, nourished by the lifeblood of the region, the Allai River. This river sustains the agriculture and the communities that thrive here. This river, originating from the glaciers high above, carries the purest waters, meanders through the heart of Allai, weaving its way through the landscape, its crystal-clear waters reflecting the azure sky. The river's journey is a serene and vital part of the valley's charm. The interplay of light and shadow across the valley creates an ever-changing canvas of breathtaking beauty. Each moment offers a new perspective, a new scene to marvel at. The air is filled with the sweet scent of pine and wildflowers, a natural perfume that invigorates the senses, carried by gentle breezes that whisper tales of the mountains. These breezes bring with them the stories of the ages echoing through the valleys. The geographical location of Allai Valley is as strategic as it is stunning. It has been a crucial point for travelers and traders for centuries. It serves as a gateway to the mountainous regions beyond, opening paths to new adventures and discoveries, connecting the more populated areas of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa to the remote villages nestled high in the Himalayas. These connections foster a unique blend of cultures and traditions. This unique location makes Allai a melting pot of cultures, where diverse traditions converge, where the traditions of the mountains blend seamlessly with the customs of the lowlands. This cultural tapestry is a testament to the valley's rich heritage and vibrant community. Allai Valley is a treasure trove of natural wonders, each more captivating than the last. At the heart of it all lies Pari Lake, a pristine alpine lake perched high above the valley floor. Surrounded by dense pine forests and reflecting the towering peaks in its tranquil waters, Pari Lake is a sight that will take your breath away. Cascading down the mountain slopes are numerous waterfalls, their thunderous roars echoing through the valley. These waterfalls, some small and delicate, others powerful and awe-inspiring, are a testament to the raw power of nature and provide a refreshing respite from the summer heat. The Allai River, the lifeline of the valley, is a sight to behold. Its turquoise waters, fed by melting glaciers, wind their way through the valley, creating a picturesque contrast against the lush green surroundings. The river is not just a source of life, but also a playground for adventure enthusiasts, offering opportunities for fishing, rafting, and simply relaxing by its banks. Allai Valley is a paradise for adventure seekers and nature lovers alike. The towering peaks and winding trails offer endless opportunities for hiking and trekking, each step revealing new vistas of breathtaking beauty. For those who prefer a more leisurely pace, there are gentle walks through the pine forests where you can breathe in the fresh mountain air and soak in the tranquility of nature. Camping under the starlit sky is an experience not to be missed in Allai. Imagine yourself surrounded by the towering peaks, a crackling bonfire warming your face as you gaze up at the millions of stars twinkling above. The silence of the night, broken only by the sound of the flowing river, creates an atmosphere of peace and tranquility that is hard to find elsewhere. For photography enthusiasts, Allai is a dream come true. Every turn offers a new opportunity to capture the beauty of the valley, from the snow-capped peaks to the cascading waterfalls and the vibrant wildflowers that dot the landscape. Section 5. Planning your Allai adventure. Tips for an unforgettable trip. Reaching Allai Valley is an adventure in itself, but the journey is well worth the effort. The nearest major city is Mansehra, which is well connected by road to other parts of Pakistan. From Mansehra, you can hire a private jeep or take a local bus to Allai, a journey that takes you through picturesque villages and winding mountain roads. Accommodation options in Allai range from basic guest houses to more comfortable hotels in the town. For a truly immersive experience, consider staying in a local homestay, where you can experience the warmth and hospitality of the local people. It's important to book your accommodation in advance, especially during peak tourist season. When it comes to safety, Allai is a relatively safe destination. However, it's always important to take necessary precautions, especially when venturing into the mountains. Pack appropriate clothing and footwear for all weather conditions, carry a first aid kit, and inform someone about your whereabouts. Section 6. Allai's unique charm, a cut above the rest. While Pakistan boasts numerous scenic valleys, Allai stands out for its unique blend of natural beauty, cultural richness, and off-the-beaten-path charm. Unlike the more crowded destinations like Kagan Valley, Allai offers a more tranquil and authentic experience, allowing you to connect with nature and immerse yourself in the local culture without the distractions of mass tourism. Compared to the more developed tourist spots in Azad, Jammu and Kashmir, Allai retains a raw and untouched beauty that is hard to find elsewhere. The valley has managed to preserve its natural splendor, offering a glimpse into a world untouched by the pressures of modernization. Allai's charm lies in its simplicity. It's a place where you can escape the noise and chaos of city life, where you can reconnect with nature, and where you can experience the warmth and hospitality of the local people. It's a destination that will stay with you long after you've left, calling you back to experience its magic time and time again. Section 7. The spirit of Allai embracing local culture. Beyond its natural splendors, Allai Valley is home to a rich cultural heritage that is deeply rooted in the traditions of the region. The people of Allai are known for their warm hospitality, welcoming visitors with open arms and sharing their customs and way of life. Immerse yourself in the local culture by attending a traditional festival where you can witness vibrant dances, listen to soulful music, and savor delicious local delicacies. Engage in conversations with the locals, learn about their history and way of life, and gain a deeper understanding of this fascinating region. The spirit of Allai lies in its people, their resilience, their warmth, and their deep connection to the land. By embracing the local culture, you'll not only create unforgettable memories, but also contribute to the sustainable development of this hidden gem. Section 8. When to witness Allai's magic, a seasonal guide. Allai Valley is a year-round destination, each season painting the landscape in a different hue, offering a unique experience that captivates the senses. Spring transforms the valley into a riot of colors, with wildflowers carpeting the meadows and trees bursting into bloom. It's the perfect time for hiking and trekking, with pleasant weather and breathtaking views. The trails are alive with the vibrant colors of nature, making every hike a visual feast. The mild temperatures and clear skies make it an ideal season for outdoor adventures. Summer brings warm, sunny days, making it ideal for exploring the higher altitudes. The long days provide ample time to discover hidden gems and enjoy the cool respite of Parry Lake and the numerous waterfalls. The valley comes alive with the sound of flowing rivers and the chirping of birds, creating a symphony of nature. It's a season of vibrancy and life, perfect for those who love to immerse themselves in the great outdoors. Autumn paints the valley in hues of gold and crimson as the leaves change color, creating a breathtaking spectacle. The air is crisp and cool, perfect for leisurely walks through the forests and enjoying the last of the warm sunshine. The landscape transforms into a canvas of warm tones, offering a serene and picturesque setting. It's a time for reflection and relaxation as the valley prepares for the coming winter. Winter transforms Allai into a winter wonderland with snow blanketing the peaks and the valley floor. While access to some areas might be limited, it's a magical time to experience the tranquility of the mountains. The serene winter landscape offers a peaceful retreat from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. The snow-covered scenery is perfect for those who enjoy the quiet beauty of winter. It's a time to witness the valley in its most serene form, where the only sounds are the whisper of the wind and the crunch of snow underfoot. Each season in Allai Valley offers a unique and unforgettable experience. Whether you visit in spring, summer, autumn, or winter, Allai Valley promises a magical journey through nature's ever-changing beauty. Section 9. Discover Allai. Your Himalayan journey awaits. Allai Valley is more than just a destination, it's an experience. It's a place where you can escape the ordinary, reconnect with nature, and immerse yourself in a culture that is both ancient and vibrant. Whether you're an adventure enthusiast, a nature lover, or simply seeking a tranquil escape, Allai has something to offer everyone. So pack your bags, lace up your boots, and embark on an unforgettable journey to this hidden Himalayan gem. Discover the magic of Allai, where adventure awaits around every corner and the beauty of nature will captivate your soul.